The perception sounds are smooth paddling, feature-rich, sit-inside kayaks that will please both beginner and intermediate paddlers alike. The Sound's unique stabilizer hull is designed to enhance tracking and also make the Sound very stable, especially when getting in and out of the boat. Featuring a large cockpit opening for plenty of legroom for you and your gear, with additional storage opportunities in front of you in the molded-in dashboard tray and behind you with an easy-access tank well, the Sound can accommodate all of your storage needs. The Sound really shines as an angler model and features 2 molded-in rod holders, a Scotty Bait caster rod holder, and a 3.5-pound anchor kit complete with its own trolley travel system. The Sound is offered in 3 sizes, the 9.5, the 10.5, and the 12.5. And the 10.5 and 12.5 models are available with an angler package.